Let's have a look in the tool cage. What's this? A panel lifter for drywalls, brand new. 138, wow. Motorcycle ramps, wow. A gate, a colour-on gate, doors, arches, wow. Keep the place clean with a vacuum cleaner. Handy twine, sheepskin, saws, fans, plumbing. Wow, plumbing taps, brand new, sparkles, wow. Wow, very fancy, Projector, sinks. What's this sink? Does it work? I don't know, but we can always take it to the desk and try it. Cable, boxes. Oh, lovely toolboxes. More rope, more plumbing. Wow, shiny new plumbing, wow. Security. Wow. Feather finish floor compound, wow. A compressor. With air hose, air gun, $70. Bargain. Master keys, that can open anything. Router. Looks like it's been used once. New in the box, used once. A saw, air compressor, submergible pump. Woo. Everything. What's in here? Bosch. Oh, 2 new saw blades for $18. Very cheap, A grinder. An engine crane. Nail gun, router, winch. Wow, big heavy duty winch and cable. New in the box, an arc welder. Wow. Drill bits. Everything's here. $2 for a block and tackle. Unbelievable. A floor grinder. What don't we have? What's this? A drill sharpener? New in the box. Drill sharpener. Of course, a drill sharpener for the drill. A drill sharpener for the drill. Brand new roll of coaxial cable. Let's go outside. What's next? Box lots. Box lots of everything. What's this one say? Vintage tea towels? Wow, in brand new condition, never used. Great Barrier Reef. Let's get this before it goes. Glassware. Antique glassware. Cosmetics. $2. You can really spruce yourself up. A box lot of bells. A box lot of bells. Wow. Oh, more tea towels. Real antiques here. Cooking equipment. pictures. That'll make any place look smart. Jugs, cabinet. More antique china. Very good. Ooh. Fabric. Doggy fabric. I'd love a shirt made from doggy fabric. Pots, pans. I won't have to wash up. I can just throw them away. Hats. Hats for any occasion. Ooh, vintage spoons and forks. Fantastic. Wire. Hey, these might be stuffed, but they're still pretty good. I feel like a champ here. I feel like a real champ. What's this? Cardinal glass in the bauxite area. I used to get 20 cents for these once upon a time. Those days have gone. A box of fish bowls. Yes, they need a wipe, but wow. Drawers. Handy toolboxes on wheels in the bauxite area. Hey, under there, we've got timber flooring. You've got to look everywhere here. You've got to look everywhere. Wow. Bars, cheap, $13. Let's have a beer. Let's have a beer. What's next? What's next? Let's go out to the furniture area.